This is an Aviation special. My name is Tom Albright. I'm your host. What we're doing is we are previewing CEDIA 2018. The annual residential audiovisual trade show happens next week, actually, September 6th through the 8th in beautiful San Diego, California. With me today to talk about cool automation, her name is Vicky Ashkenazi. Welcome, ma'am.
Hi, how are you doing?
I am doing well. You guys are in booth 1418-1418. The name of the company is Cool Automation. Some folks may take inference of what it is. You guys do HVAC and controller automation. So as we're walking through the show floor and we come upon 1418, we walk into the booth. What are we going to find?
Well, it depends on the time of the day when you're going to actually be visiting us, because most of the day we are actually going to be deliver trainings to integrators that are interested in actually improving their HVAC integration capabilities, because this is actually the essence of what we do. The whole idea behind the trainings is actually to allow integrators to simplify and to shorten the time that they invest in HVAC integration. As we know, many of the integrators are actually saying no to HVAC integration precisely because of lacking the specific solutions for this very complicated integration, mainly when it comes to inverter-based systems, which are splits, multi-split systems, and VRFs. As I can see, you don't really know what I'm talking about, and this is exactly the situation with the guys. Hence, that's what we're trying to do, and this is what we'd like to ask everyone is actually to join our trainings. If you're passing by our stand 1418, just ask probably me at the reception counter, when is the next training? They will be taking place mainly 6th and the 7th of September. There are two optional times for you, 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. Best times ever, before lunch and after lunch. And we'll be very happy to host you and teach you everything we know.
What you said the times for the training are 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Roughly how long does it take?
About 30 minutes. It actually depends on about 30 minutes, but it actually depends very much on the amount of questions, and those are taking a lot of time.
That makes sense. On your website, which we'll put a link on the show's page, you have quite a few. I don't know if it's accurate to say partnerships, but the compatibility that you have, the depth of just the number of folks that you work with. Talk about for a second what we're going to learn, next week at CEDIA about working with so many different platforms and control systems. Whether it's the typical Crestron and AMX, but you also have the broader ranging ones of KNX and URC. What are we going to learn when it comes to figuring out which system we have and how those integrate?
You basically have to understand what type of the HVAC system are you integrating, and obviously know your home automation system. Yeah. Our compatibility range is very wide on both sides. On the side of the integration and on the side of home automation solutions, we can boldly say that we can integrate almost any home automation system with HVAC systems. This is kind of our competitive edge. Plus, we actually know the strength of our solutions, and many of the companies are seeking to partner with us and to be compatible. Our recent announcement, our actually future announcement, would be an integration with Fibaro, which is a part of what we will be announcing at the show. And the HVAC side of this integration is actually much more complicated, because beside of the system, there are many models of HVACs. So actually the best way to approach this part is to contact us and actually to ask us with a spec in your hand. Okay, I've got that HVAC type. Can you help us? My guess is yes.
Yeah. It actually brings up the next thing we're going to talk about is, again, your booth number is 1418-1418. If somebody is not going to CEDIA 2018 next week, or they want to get a hold of you afterwards or find out, any other announcements that you've got going on, how do they do that?
Well, obviously there's our website, which is coolautomation.com. And the best way to follow our news would be on the Facebook channel, which is just search for Cool Automation on Facebook. Cool Automation in one word, that will bring you to the right page. Follow us. Almost weekly posts are coming out with very specific updates, especially on integration and expanding. YouTube channel, which will be enriched with this video most probably. Twitter, and we also welcome everybody to follow us on LinkedIn and to connect with us.
Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, Vicki Ashkenazi from Cool Automation. Again, if you're going to the show, going to CEDIA 2018, it's 1418, and we'll put links to all of the social media and the website for Cool Automation on this page. So thank you so much, Vicki. For us, for AV-Nation, if you want to follow along as we head to CEDIA 2018, September 6th through the 8th, go to the website, avnation.tv, avnation.tv.